3 hidden Google Docs tricks you've never seen. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 hidden Google Docs tricks you've probably never seen before, and they'll make your work so much faster and smarter. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. The first trick is voice typing. Just activate it. Start speaking, and watch your words magically appear on the page. It's surprisingly accurate and great for taking notes or writing without touching the keyboard. Next is the Smart Chips feature. Simply type @ and you'll unlock a whole menu of tools, like inserting dates, people, files, checklists, and even meeting notes, all embedded directly in your doc. It keeps everything connected and saves tons of time. And here's a secret power move: the outline sidebar. If you use heading styles in your document, Google Docs automatically creates an outline that appears on the left side. It's perfect for navigating long documents without endless scrolling. These features are hidden in plain sight, but can instantly level up your productivity. That's all for the video. Try out these Google Docs tricks and let me know which one surprised you the most. See you in the next one.